If exams are near, your mind feels heavy. Pause for a moment. You are in the right place. This channel is about going beyond marks and beyond fear. Let us begin. Some of the smartest students I have met are all still scared of exams. Not weak students, smart ones. So, why does fear stay even after studying? I will show you the real reason fear doesn't go away and one simple change that fixes it. Let's be honest. You attend classes, you study at home, you even revise. But still, at night the thought comes, what if I forget everything? This is confusing, right? Because the effort is there, but the confidence is missing. Remember this line: preparation without clarity creates fear. Why smart students feel fear? Smart students usually do one mistake. They study many things, but their mind is not clear. Too many notes, too many videos, and too many opinions. So the brain feels busy but not confident. I see this in business all the time. People who try to do everything feel stressed. People who focus on a few clear tasks feel calm. Exams work exactly the same way. So, what's the fix? Not more hours, not more pressure. The fix is clarity. Instead of asking, have I studied everything? Ask this: do I clearly understand this one topic? Here is what I want you to do today. Pick one topic, study it for 20 minutes. After that, close the book. Explain it to yourself like you are teaching a friend. If you can explain it simply, fear doesn't disappear with hard work. Fear disappear when your mind says, yes, I know this. Beyond marks, beyond fear. If this made sense to you, subscribe. We prepare calmly here step by step. And if this helped you even a little, type clear in the comment. If you know a student who studied hard but still feels scared, please share this video with them. That video will make your preparation feel lighter. And finally, remember, pressure doesn't improve performance. Calm performance, calm preparation does. See you in the next video.